Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be refining plastic crude oil here. This is oil that comes right out of my plastic into fuel reactor, and as we can see now, it's quite dark and just full of a mixed blend of a whole bunch of different short and long chain hydrocarbons. We're going to refine it into specific fractions that are going to be alternatives to gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. So let's go ahead. You can see some clumps there, and that's actually solidified wax products. So this oil, like I said, is a huge mix, and that's why we have to refine it to make it more uniform product. So the distiller is complete, and in short, this is a fractional packed column and two fraction distillers. So in short, this is a packed column here to help condense and separate different fractions. The Plastoline fraction will come out this top column here and come down here. The gasoline alternative and our Plastidiesel and plastic kerosene jet fuel and diesel alternative will come out this fraction, because they boil over at such a high boiling point that they would never be able to reach up this high without pretty much solidifying again over and over again. It would take so much energy, so this is why we have it like this. So let's go ahead and light this fire and get this thing started. Look at that gorgeous, beautiful apple juice. Let's take a sip. I'm just playing. That's Plastoline right there, but oh my lord, that is some clean distillate coming over. Right now, everybody, I'm making Plastidiesel. Diesel alternative made from plastic waste, and you can see it's coming over at a pretty high rate, and it's very hot, even though we have this column cooled down, hence why there are some vapors, actually quite a bit of vapors coming out. So my cooling condenser is failing with this water over here. It needs ice water, but nonetheless we have a lot of it. Interestingly enough, it actually tends to darken a lot. I have some over here, and you can see it just completely darkened over here, but these two batches here are lighter colored, so hopefully we can get a lot more of this. I mean, it's coming out at a type of rate. We're going to see how much we're going to get. So an interesting observation, I know not everybody is familiar with diesel, but diesel waxes at pretty high temperatures. So if it gets a little bit cold outside, diesel as it is raw will just straight up wax and form crystals. And that's exactly what this Plastidiesel is doing. If you take a look at it, these are crystal formations. In the meantime, not waxing at all, I do have my Plastoline fraction over here. We have a liter of this, not as much as I had hoped. But I do want to remind everybody